Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. OpenAI just released another new exciting mind-blowing feature in their chatgpt.com, which is the branch in new chat, and this is their official notification. By popular request, you can now branch conversations in ChatGPT, letting you more easily explore different directions without losing your original thread. So basically, if you go to your ChatGPT and whatever the conversations that you have done, if you click on this three dot below, and you will see that branch in new chat. So if you click on it, it will open another new window, and that new window will take the original thread, and here you see that it is written branched from Tomcat threading model. So my original thread was this is the Tomcat threading model that I have asked for the conversations, and now this is the new thread that they have started, and basically they have created one new branch. Now you will ask me that what is the advantage of this branch feature. So basically, if you want to perform some experiment with the main thread, then you can create a separate thread from the main thread, and there you can ask the cross question to this ChatGPT. So I have asked one question to this ChatGPT regarding this Tomcat threading model. Now it has given me some of the responses and answers. Now if I want to ask it some cross question, that what if I do this, then what will happen? So this kind of what if feature, that if you ask question, then you can use this feature. Otherwise, what will happen, that if you perform the same things in this main thread, then your main thread will be destroyed. Okay. And you will be out of the context window. So that's why this new feature will be very much helpful for all of the users. And here you see that this is the simple explanation. You keep the original chat intact while testing what if paths, and super handy for creative brainstorming, right? So I hope that this new feature is helpful for you guys only. And if you found some meaningful information from this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get this type of notifications more. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And please like and subscribe this channel.